Hello and thank you for watching. In this video, we will discuss how to properly prepare your mutilated currency package. Aside from providing a complete and accurate Form 5283, the most important thing when shipping a claim is properly packaging the damaged notes. This is especially true for fire-damaged or brittle notes. Excessive movement during shipping can cause further damage, so it's important to carefully package the notes. You should handle the fragments as minimally as possible to avoid further damage. If the currency was in a roll when mutilated, do not attempt to unroll or straighten it out. Please note that if your submission arrives at BEP in a state where we cannot authenticate and denominate the notes, we cannot redeem them. It is your responsibility to ensure the notes are not disturbed in transit. The best way to package burned or brittle currency is to use a plastic container large enough for the currency with a good amount of cotton balls. First, fill the container about half full with cotton balls. Then place the burned or brittle currency inside the container and use more cotton balls to protect the notes from shifting in the container. Place more packing material in a shipping box to secure the plastic container inside the box. Be careful to avoid too much room where the container could shift and damage the notes further. Once you have secured the notes in the container and the container in the box, place your completed Form 5283 inside the box. Make sure the box is properly sealed. Please note that material shipped to BEP cannot be returned, including the currency notes plastic container and cotton balls. Although senders can select which method or courier to ship their mutilated currency, we recommend using the U.S. Postal Service. If using the USPS, please use the Registered Mail Return Receipt Requested option. At this time, U.S. Postal Service mail can be insured for up to $50,000 for each package. Regardless of which service or method you use, the sender is responsible for insuring and tracking their package delivery. All redemption claims must either be mailed or brought in person to the BEP's Washington, D.C. facility. To bring a claim in person, you must fill out Form 5283 and include a printed copy when you drop off your claim at the facility. When submitting a mutilated currency claim to BEP, you must follow the federal rules and regulations regarding currency redemption found in 31 CFR 100.7. We will provide a link to the latest federal regulations concerning mutilated currency in a moment. Remember, while you may provide an estimate for the currency submitted, as per federal regulations, the BEP director shall have final authority with respect to mutilated currency redemption. In other words, BEP can only redeem what it is able to verify, authenticate, and denominate, and we cannot accept anything other than genuine U.S. currency notes for consideration. Below is the link for Federal Regulation 31 CFR 100.7. If you have additional questions, please email the Mutilated Currency Division at mcdstatus@bep.gov. Thank you for watching.